Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So this is such a manual when you have a problem with your internet web browser that stays such a phrase or notice message your browser does not support ČARTS. It asks ČARTS are incompatible or disabled or deactivated or whatever. So in this case I want to show you what it regards with. So it regards this piece of your user agent, probably a custom user agent or user agent of your browser. If you have such a one, you need to use. If you have such an old browser, you need to use custom user agent like this. So it's all about this. When you have Trident written at before HTML like gecko, before this you have Trident or 7.0 or 6.0 or whatever. So in this case you need to change this one to the general one with Apple WebKit name. It asked this one. So as you see before, HTML like gecko, we have at the place of Trident we have Apple WebKit 537.36. So such manual how to activate ČARTS or deactivate ČARTS or make them compatible with most websites, newer websites mainly. So such a manual glorifies the God forever.